Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 2 mathematics subject. So student, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So student, now take out your maths books, okay, and open page number 36. Open page number 36, all of you. Okay. First of all, student, write down date here 21/9/20. Okay, write down C.W classwork. Okay. So the student. The topic is about fractions. Okay, so when a whole is divided into parts and one or more parts are taken out, we represent this parts as a number. This number is called a fraction. So student, what is fraction? First of all, student, first of all, if you have this shape, okay, you have this shape of this, okay, rectangle. So if you divide this rectangle in 4 parts, okay, if you divide this rectangle in 4 parts, okay, this is the simply explanation, this is not your copy work, okay. So if you have this rectangle and if you divide this rectangle into 4 parts, okay, so how many parts we have divided? 1 2 3 4. Yes, so fraction is also represented by this way, okay. So in 4 parts, okay, and if I will say that you have to write this shape into fraction, okay, so there are 1 2 3 4 parts, okay, and how many parts are shaded? Only one part shaded, okay. So here is one number, okay. So this is called fraction, okay. So students, for example, you have this question, color the half of each shape first has been done for you, okay. So student, this is a triangle, okay. So you have these different shapes, okay, and you have to just color the half of these shapes, okay. So first of all, this is a triangle. This triangle is divided into 2 parts, so you have to just color only half of this shape, half of this triangle, okay, not whole of this shape. So you now second one is circle, so you have to just color the half of this circle, okay. Now this is a shape, okay, so you have to just color the half of this shape. For example this one, for example this one. So all this shapes you have just colored the half of these shapes, okay. You have just colored half of each shapes, okay. You have used different colors because I don't have any color, so that's why I will only use black, okay. So you have used different colors, okay, your favorite color, whatever you have, okay. So now open page number 37, okay, and you have this. First of all, write down date here 21/9/20, write down C.W, okay, and here is also you have to color 1/3 of each shape first has been done for you. So okay, so this is the shapes, okay, and their shapes are divided into 3 parts. All these shapes are divided into 3 parts, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3. So you have to just color only one part, okay. So this you have to just color one part of this shape, you have to just color one part of this shape, similarly like this, okay. Now color 1/4 of each shape first has been done for you. There is a circle and this circle divided into 4 parts, okay. So you have to just color only one part of this shapes, okay, only one part, okay. There are 4 1 2 3 4 parts, okay. So there are only, we have to color only one part of all different shapes, okay. Now come to page number 38, okay, all of you, and write down date here 21/9/20, write down C.W. fractions, color 1/2 of the given shapes, okay. So there are different shapes, okay, and you have to color these different shapes, okay. Color 1/2 of given shape, so this is a circle, okay, and you have to just color this shape, color the half of this shape, okay. Now similarly like this, you have to color the half of this shape, okay, similarly like this, okay. Now color 1/3 of this given shape, you have this different 3 parts, okay, and you have to just color only one part of each shape, okay. So this is a homework, okay. remaining part. Okay, you have completed this 38 page number 38, okay, in your home. Okay, so inshallah we will meet you soon. Take care till then. Allah Hafiz all of you.